Okay, today I want to go through with this LS2 VE. Essentially this car, we've done a video on it before with essentially the supercharger system and exhaust system as it was. It's since had full suspension. The owner's got custom wheels made for the thing, so they fit the car very nicely, getting good traction and filling out the guards a little bit more. And then we've been through and done the next mods in the way of the engine to take this little package, which is the 1900 Harrop supercharger system with the VCM suite OTR, and then we've done a basic build to the engine. So that's a stroker crank, so it's got a Kelly's crank and rods, and we've got custom forged pistons, and then a small camshaft in sort of the 220s in its duration. So it's a custom camshaft for our specs to try and end up with something with very good torque, very good drivability, but still get it into sort of the reasonable level for the power that you can create with this 1900 supercharger. So it's obviously got the fuel system we put in before, and that's basically a package ready to go through. I've started our dyno tuning, so we'll go through and show you what it runs like on the dyno. With the 402. I'll just go through the graphs of what we saw. Obviously that was making the 620 horsepower at the tyres. Here we've got on here the three graphs of when it was standard, making 300 horsepower at the tyres. And then we've got essentially the next run here, which was supercharged, where we'd pushed it up, fuel system and all the bits and pieces. We were making just under 530 horsepower at the tyres. And then you can see the real benefits in going to the next step with the stroker, and we've gone to where we're making the 620 horsepower at the tyres. But the noticeable thing is it's not making it in a camshaft fashion where it's just making top end horsepower. This is making so much more through the mid-range. It's making the same improvement as Supercharger did. Again, even right down the bottom, there's a lot more torque out of the thing, and we're pulling through where it's a nice strong torque curve or power curve right through the mid-range, and then we're making full power at slightly lower revs. Even though it's got a camshaft, the stroker is filling up that gap, and we're making, this is going to be a really nice thing to drive.